Hello my dear students, welcome back to you in your maths class. I am Afroz Alam sir from Yuvraj Singh Children Academy. Today I am going to teach you about chapter 4 parts and rules, and today's topic is word problems. Okay students, dear students, please open page number 40. Please open page number 40. Okay students, now let's start question number 31. Question number 31 is Ram can walk 7/3/5 kilometer in an hour. Okay students, how much distance will he covered in 3 mixed 1/5 hours. 5 hours. Okay students, look at here carefully. In this question here given that Ram can walk 7/3/5 kilometer in an hour. How much distance will he cover in 3 mixed 1/5 hours? Dear students, in this question, if we have to take the multiplication of 7/3 by 5 kilometer and 3/1/5 hour, then we get the total distance covered by Ram. Okay, understand? It means that then we get the answer of this question. Okay, so now let's start the solution of question number 31. Look at here carefully. It means that here given that Ram can walk 7/3/5 kilometer in an hour, and then the total distance covered by Ram in 3 mixed 1/5 hour is equal to the total distance will cover by Ram in 3 mixed 1/5 hour is equal to distance. In this question here we have to take the multiplication of 7 mixed 3/5 kilometer by 3/1/5 hour. 3/1/5 hours. Okay students, look at here carefully. Here given that 7 mixed 3/5 and here given that 3 mixed 1/5. Okay, look at distance. Look at here carefully. It means that this is a mixed fraction, therefore we have to change the given mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Okay, look at here carefully. 5 7 are 35, 5 7 are 35, 35 plus 3 is 38. Therefore here we can write 38/5 multiply by 3 5 are 10, 5 3 are 15, 5 3 is 15, 15 plus 1 is 16. 15 plus 1 is 16 over 5. Okay, distance. Look, again we have to take the multiplication of 38 by 16 and 5 by 5. It means that again we have to take the multiplication this by this and this by this. Okay, here we can write 38 multiplied by 16 over 5 multiplied by 5. Look at here carefully. Here we have to take multiplication table of 38 by 16. 6 8 ja 48 of 8 carry 4. 6 3 ja 18. 18 plus 4 is 22. 1 8 ja 8. 1 3 ja 3. After adding this we get 8 into 0, it means that 8. 2 plus 8 is 10 of 0 carry 1. 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 1 is 6. It means that after multiplying these we get 608 over 5 5 ja 25. Okay, distance. This is a mixed fraction. This is an improper fraction. Okay, distance. It means that if we have to change the given mixed fraction, okay, distance, this is an improper fraction. Therefore this improper fraction we have to change into mixed fraction by taking the division of 608 by 25. Okay, 25 2 ja 50. After subtracting these, here we get 60 minus 50 is 10, and here we can take 8 as same. 25 4 ja 100. Okay, after subtracting these, here we get 8. Understand? Therefore the fraction is 24 mixed 8 over 25. 24 whole 8 over 25. Understand? It means that the total distance will cover by Ram in 3 mixed 1 over 5 hours is equal to 24 whole 8 over 25 kilometer. Okay, distance. This is the answer of question number 31. Okay, distance. Understand? If any student have doubt in this question, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Dear students, in this question, here we have to take the multiplication of given fractions. Okay? Understand? Now read this. Okay, students, now let's start question number 32. In this question, here given that find the perimeter of a rectangular sheet find the perimeter of rectangular sheet whose length and breadth whose length and breadth are 9 whole 1 over 5 centimeter and 8 whole 2 over 3 centimeter respectively. Okay, students, in this question here given that find the perimeter of rectangular sheet whose length and breadth are 9 mixed 1 over 5 centimeter and 8 whole 2 over 3 centimeter respectively. Dear students, we know that the perimeter of rectangular sheet is equal to 2 into in bracket length plus breadth. Okay, distance, we know that the perimeter of rectangular sheet is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Here we use this formula, okay, distance, and solve the question number 32 carefully. Look, now let's start the solution of question number 31. Here given that the length of rectangular sheet is equal to 9 mixed 1 over 5 centimeter and the breadth of this rectangular sheet is equal to 8 mixed 2 over 3, 8 whole 2 over 3 centimeter. Okay, so then the perimeter of rectangular sheet is equal to distance. Here we use this formula, it means that here we can take 2 multiply by length, it means that here we can write 9 mixed 1 over 5 in place of length plus 8 mixed 2 over 3, okay, centimeter. Okay, distance, here we can write centimeter. Look, distance in this fraction, here given that 9 mixed 1 over 5, here given that 8 mixed 2 over 3. It means that this is a mixed fraction, therefore we have to change this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Look at here carefully, here given that 9 mixed 1 over 5, it means that we can write 5 9 45, 45 plus 1 is 46 over 5, here we can write 46 over 5 plus here 3 8 24, 24 plus 2 is 26, here we get 26 over 3. Okay, distance, here we can take scissor method for finding the same denominator. Okay, distance, it means that in this fraction we have to take the multiplication by 3, and in this fraction we have to take the multiplication by 5. Okay, look at here carefully, here we can write 46 by 3, 46 by Here we can write 46 multiplied by 3 okay distance. Look at here carefully. Here we can write 2 into 46 multiplied by 3 plus 26 multiplied by 5 total upon 5 3 is 15. It means that 5 multiplied by 3. Okay distance. After solving these we get, look at here carefully. Here we can write 2 into 3 6 18 of 8 carry 1 3 4 is 12 12 plus 1 is 13. It means that after multiplying this, here we get 138 plus 5 6 is 30 of 0 5 2 is 10 plus 3 is 13 over 5 3 is 15. Okay distance. After adding these, here we get 8 plus 0 is 8, 3 plus 3 is 6, 1 plus 1 is 268 over 15. After multiplying these we get 2 8 is 16 of 6 carry 1, 2 6 is 12 plus 1 is 13, 2 2 is 4 1 5 over 15. Okay distance. Here we get an improper fraction, therefore this improper fraction we have to change into mixed fraction by taking the division of 536 by 15. 15 3 is 45. After subtracting these, here we get, look here given that 3, here 5, we know that 3 is less than 5, therefore we can take one borrow from this 5 and this 3 makes 13. 13 minus 5 is 8. After subtracting these, here we get 0 and here we can take 6. 15 5 is 75. After subtracting these, here we get 11. Understand? Therefore the answer is 35 mixed 11 over 15 centimeter. Okay friends, it means that the perimeter of given rectangular sheet is 35 whole 11 over 15 centimeter. Understand? If you have any doubt in this question, please ask me. Now read this. Okay distance. Now let's start next question. Question number 33. Dear students, please open page number 41. Question number 33. In an examination, in an examination 7 over 8 of the 7 over 8 of the total student passed. Total students passed. If the total total students are 48. How many students failed? How many students failed? How many students failed? Okay, students, in this question, here we have to take the multiplication of 7 by 8 and 48, then we get the total students passed in examination. Okay, students, then the total student failed in examination. A we have to subtract 48, subtract total students passed. It means that here we have to subtract the total number of students passed in an examination from 48. Okay, it means that from total students. Okay, students, look at here carefully. In this question, firstly we have to take the multiplication of 7 by 8 and 48. After solving these, here we get the total number of students passed in an exam. Okay, then we have to take the subtraction of the total students passed from 48. Okay, students, now let's start the solution of question number 33. Look at here carefully. The total student passed in an examination is equal to 7/8 of the total students, and we know that the total number of students is 48. Therefore, here we can write 48. 8 1 is 8, 8 6 is 48. Here we can take the multiplication of 7 by 6. 7 6 is 42 students. It means that the total number of students passed in an examination is equal to 42. Therefore, failed student, the total number of it means that the total number of failed student is equal to here we have to subtract 42 from 48. After subtracting this, here we get 6 students. Okay, students, it means that 6 students failed. Clear? If any student have doubt in question number 33, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Dear sons, similarly, do it yourself. And after completed, the given class work, please send on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, students? Thank you.